Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So the same like the previous video, we have another form. The you can say our form in which when someone you can say submit any deal or any my product want to buy. So after that we get basically this jot form just like my previous video. So I added connected with this webhook with this jot form. So whenever someone select a product and their quantity, and we can get a notification in our jot form. So the same process I think I explained you. So we gonna search here the client email, and after that I use two routes. One, if the client already exists, so you can say client exists, and title should be exist in our system. So because title is a required field in the next step, so again use contact ID associated, because if the contact exists we can associate, because we have to connect deal with the associated. So after that I gonna add that, and the other route is we have to create first a contact, and then attach a contact with that deal, because in deal we have to contact ID is required field, it should not be empty. Okay, so this is how it will works. So I hope you like my video. If you want any help, do let me know. Thank you.